Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 17. Oh, I have these counters that I just cannot wait to play with. So, there they are. They're on my desk. All right, who can tell me how many counters did I put out? Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfecto. Now watch. I'm feeling awfully wild today. Watch what I'm going to do with my counters. All right. I spread them out to all the corners. All right. Now how many counters do I have? Why did you say 4 so quickly? I moved them around. Didn't that change the amount? Oh, it didn't. How come it's still 4? Oh, yeah, because I didn't add anything to it, and I didn't take anything away. Let's count. Let's just double check, though. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're totally right. Well, good job, friends. You must know something that goes along with our learning goal today. Because our learning goal says, I can model numbers 4 through 6 in different ways. I just did that. I had them in a nice straight line and then I spreaded them all out, and you still knew that it was 4 because we can show numbers in different ways, right? Okay, so let's talk about the different ways that we can model or show numbers. Okay, so I just showed you. We could show the number 4 or model it in a nice straight line. Why do you think a good straight line is a nice way to model the number 4? Yeah, it's so organized, right? You know I love organized math. Yeah, it's nice and organized, and being organized makes it easier to count, right? All right, this is a nice line. All right, so that's one way we could model the number 4. Another way that's really organized is something called an array. Go ahead and say an array. An array looks like this, where you have some in a row and then some in another column underneath it. Do you see how they're still organized? And I like the number 4 because it's even, so it's even Stevens on the top and the bottom row. And they're stacked up nicely, so it kind of looks like a little box, right? An array is another way to model a number or to show it in an organized way. And remember, in math, being organized is so super helpful. All right, can you think of another way to model or show the amount of 4? Oh, ding, 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 ding. Our fingers. Yeah, we can use our fingers to show the number 4. These are my little pumpkin's fingers. He's helping me out today. See, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you go ahead and hold up on your hand your 4 fingers? Excellent job. Hey, nice modeling the number 4. The great thing about our fingers is that they're always with us, right? We don't like leave them at home when we go to school. So we can always use our fingers to model those good numbers. Ugh, so helpful. Okay, we're done with 4. What about 5? Oh, I already have it set up. How are we modeling number 5 in this picture? Who can tell me? Yes, again with the fingers. Just like with 4, you can model 5 with your fingers. All right, go ahead and let me see. Put up your fingers. Model the number 5 for me. Excellent job. All right, does your model match my little pumpkins? Oh, good. I bet you have cute little fingers too. All right, so fingers, because they're always with us, is a good way to model those good numbers. What's another way that we talked about with 4? We talked about 2 different ways. What was one of them? Do you remember? Yes, a nice straight line. We can model the number 5 in a nice straight line. Let's go ahead and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and tell your neighbor why is one good reason modeling the number 5 in a straight line is a good thing for math. I hope that you use the word organized. Yeah, when you're organized in math, it lets everyone see your good thinking. Ooh, nice. All right, so we have fingers, a nice straight line. What was the last way we talked about to model a number? Yes, an array. Good. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and model 5 in an array. This one's going to look a little bit different from 4. Do you see there's my first row, and then I'm going to go for my second row now. All right, so let's count and make sure I have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you noticing something about this array? Yes, 5 is an odd number. That means when I set them up with a pair like that, with a buddy, one of them doesn't have a buddy. That's okay. Sometimes arrays don't have every single spot filled. That's okay, as long as it's nice and organized into 2 different rows. Okay? So we can use our fingers, we can do a nice line, or we can be fancy and build an array. Oh, so many different ways to model numbers, friends. This is great because our learning goal said I can model numbers 4 through 6 in different ways. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but we practiced 4, we practiced 5. What do we have left to practice? Yes, 6. All right, so your exit ticket is this. I want you to make me a video, or you can take a picture if you can get them all in the same picture, of you modeling the number 6. You can model it in different ways. You can do a straight line. You can make an array, or you can use your cute little fingers. Now, friends, if you do all 3 different ways, ooh, you're going to get extra points in my head, okay? I would be so impressed. So I want to see what you can come up with to model or show that good number 6. All right, good luck, friends.